Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact device model and current firmware version so you download the correct file. Once done, make a configuration backup and export any settings you need. Firmware rewrites can reset stored preferences. Make sure the device has stable power and plug into a direct USB port rather than a hub to avoid interruptions. Now open the vendor updater tool you downloaded, accept any driver prompts, and locate the firmware file you verified earlier. You'll now put the device into the vendor-specified update or DFU mode. This ensures bootloaders accept the new image. Then load the firmware file into the updater and verify its checksum or digital signature so you avoid corrupted or tampered images. Hit the flash or update button and watch the progress bar. Do not disconnect, sleep, or reboot the host during this step. If prompted, follow any additional on-screen steps, like confirming version upgrades or post-flash configuration options. You finish by rebooting the device and immediately confirming the new firmware version shown in the device info or updater. Next, restore backup settings and run quick functional checks, connectivity, I/O, and any required calibration to ensure everything operates as expected. If something goes wrong, first retry the process with the verified firmware file and a direct USB port. If failures persist, enter the vendor recovery or bootloader mode and apply.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.